Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can translate text data into numbers using Pabbly Connect automatically. Guys, many a times we get the data from one application in one format and we need to send the data into a different format to any other application. For example, you're receiving feedbacks from your customers or clients and you are receiving the words like good, excellent, poor, average, not satisfactory, these kind of words. And you want to convert these review words into ratings into numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For this, guys, you can use this workflow of automation that I'm about to share with you. And this is just one example. You can use the same workflow for many other use cases as well. And we can set up this without any coding. So without any further ado, let's begin. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. You can find the link of this page in the description, and from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So sign up right now from the given link, and after that you can sign in and reach the dashboard. Okay. So from here, guys, you can click on this create workflow button to create a workflow of automation. Here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name. Okay, now I am clicking on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, that is the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the automated response of the trigger. So in this use case, guys, we are taking the example of taking feedbacks or reviews from your customers or clients, and to get those feedbacks and reviews I am using a form that I have created in Google Forms application. So let me show you the form. This is a form I have created, and here I am asking these things: the name of the person, the email address, and here I am asking for the review, and these are the options I have given: poor, not satisfied, average, good, or excellent. Okay. And as I'm going to get the response here in this workflow, I'm going to change these words into numbers. Okay. So first of all, you need to connect Google Forms here in the trigger step. Okay. So search for Google Forms, and the trigger event would be a new response received. Okay. So it will give you this webhook URL to create a connection with the form or with the spreadsheet aligned or attached with the form in which you are receiving the response. And to do that, guys, you need to follow these instructions written here. Okay, so you can just read the instructions one by one and follow them to get the connection, to make the connection. Okay, or you can explore our channel. We have numerous videos on Google Forms and Google Sheets integration in the trigger, so do explore our channel. And after making the connection, when you use this URL, you have to copy the URL and paste it inside the initial setup of the connection, and it will start showing waiting for the response. So after making the connection, you have to fill this form manually. The form that you have created, you have to fill this form once and submit the form, and the data will be captured here in your workflow in the response section, and that will act as a test data for us to move forward. So guys, I have already created the connection and captured the response. Let me show you that. Here you can see from the same form I have received the response like this. So I have entered the details as this. Here you can see I have entered the name as demo name, the email is this, and here in the review I have selected not satisfied option from the given options. Let me show you. This was the form. Okay, and these are the options. So I have checked this not satisfied option and submitted, and here's the response I got. Now I want to send somewhere else this response in some different application, but in place of this not satisfied option, I want to replace this word with a number. Okay, now to translate this, we are going to use this action step, and here I am going to use lookup table module of Pabbly Connect. So you have to just search for lookup table module and use the action event as lookup table only, and then click on connect button. So guys, with the help of a lookup table module, you can create a table of label and values. So here you can create labels with this data that you have received in the trigger step, and to those labels you can assign some particular values. So here guys, I'm going to create labels for all of these options, and for each of these this option I'm going to assign a particular number value. Let me show you how. Here in the lookup table guys, you can see it is asking for the lookup key. I'm going to tell you what's how to use this field. First of all, let's create the table, and here you can see we have lookup table option. Here it is asking to provide a label name and assign a value here. So here you can see in the form, the first option I have is poor. So I'm going to type poor here in the label. Okay. And the value I'm going to assign to this word is 1. Okay. Right. So the value assigned to poor label is 1. So whenever we are going to receive poor as the feedback, it will be translated into 1. Okay. Next, just click here on this plus icon and another label and value pair will open up. Here let's translate the next option, not satisfied. Okay, so put not satisfied here as it is, as you have written here in the form. Put here as it is. Okay, now I'm going to put the value here 2. So the not satisfied result will be translated into number 2. Similarly, let me create other labels as well. So the next option is average. So guys, I have created all the 5 words of reviews into numbers. Okay. Now how you can automatically convert the incoming value into a number. For this to happen guys, we have this lookup key option. So in this lookup key field, you have to map the word that is incoming from the trigger, and that will be converted in or translated into the number. Let me show you. Here we have received the review label and it is showing this word. Now I'm going to map this label here in the lookup key field. You can see as I'm clicking here, the previous step is appearing here, and when you click on it, you will find the data here only. So from here, just map the review label. All right. Then we have the save and send test request button. Click on it. And in the result label, you will get this result. Here it is showing result label not satisfied, and the value assigned to this label is 2. So we got the result here. Now we can map this result value label in the next step and send the value to any other application. For example, just click here on this plus icon. And let's say you want to send this value back to Google Sheets. So you can just select Google Sheets here. Okay. And here, let's say this was the review I got, and let's say let's update this this cell value into a numbered value. Okay. So I am selecting here the action event as update cell value. Okay. And now click on connect button. From here you can select add new connection or select any existing connection. So by clicking on add new connection, it will ask to sign in with Google. You can sign in and select your account by which you have created the spreadsheet, and then make the connection. And the connection that you make will be saved in your account. So you can use the save connection by selecting existing connection option. Here it will show you the list of all your saved connections. From here you can choose any connection and click on save one more time, and you will be connected again with Google Sheets. This is a shorter method to make the connection again. And guys, after that it will ask you to select the spreadsheet. So the name of my spreadsheet you see is customer feedback form responses. So I'm going to select it from here, and then it will ask you to select your sheet's name. So I have only one sheet here. You can see named as form responses 1, and it got auto populated. Here it is asking the range of the cell that you want to update. So I want to update this cell value, the cell I have selected, and you can see it is showing the range as D2. This means the cell is present at column D, row number 2. So just copy this D2 and paste it here in the range option. put it D2, okay. And here it is asking for the value. So I'm going to map the value of this result label here in this field. So just click here, and from the last lookup table step, map this result value, okay. Now guys, this word will be replaced by this number when I'm going to click on save and send test request. Let me show you. Alright guys, this is the response we got, and let me show you the spreadsheet now. And here you can see it is showing here number 2. So this is how you can translate words data into numbers using lookup table module, and this is how you can automatically get the data translated and get the data changed in some other application automatically. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.